Welcome to my channel, Gimbal. Today we will be unboxing my very first Canon product, which is the R6 Mark II. What has been my previous workhorse has been an Olympus OMD Mark III. Very nice camera. It's a micro four thirds, and for my video flow and my photography flow, I was told that I would definitely not be disappointed if I switched over to the Canon R6 Mark II, which I did yesterday, February 13th. And today we're unboxing it today, which is February 14th. So happy Valentine's Day to whoever celebrates it. And I'm excited to get it opened. I haven't opened it or peeked inside of it or whatever. So I'm excited, just as you guys are probably excited as well. So without further ado, let's go over to the other room and do the unboxing. I'll meet you guys over there. Okay, this is what I've been waiting for, and I'm sure you guys have been waiting to as well. And this, like I said, this is my first Canon product, and I can't wait to get into it and see what we have. Let's do it. All right. What do we have here? First is the battery, which is very important. Some stuff. Okay, we have the owner's manual here, and this is paperwork for you can download this to your Android or your Apple phone, and this is the warranty paperwork. Okay. This also here is the battery charger. And you get a nice strap, camera strap. Very, very nice. And okay, I'm guessing this should be the camera lens. Which is the 24 by 105, should I say 24 to 105 millimeters. Very nice. Very, very nice. Little on the heavy side too, but very nice quality. And this is the star of the show. Push this out the way. The Canon R6 Mark II. Very well constructed as well. So I would say it's definitely bigger than the Olympus OMD Mark III that I've been shooting with. So I'm definitely looking forward to making some beautiful photography and videos out of this product. Let's see. Okay. So this is it. This is the Holy Corral. I'm looking forward to using it, and like I said, making some beautiful photography and videos out of it for my clients and family as well. And thank you for joining me, and thank you for joining me at my very first open box ceremony, I would say, since this is definitely my first. So thank you very much.